Zach Petros here from MarineMax Jacksonville in Jacksonville Beach, and we're standing next to a brand new Grady-White 216 Fisherman. As you can see, this boat's got full hull color sea glass green. A lot of these boats don't come in full hull color, but we find that they're more attractive and look good, feel good, right? Also, keeping with the look good, feel good, look at that T-top. Full pilot house T-top, powder coated all the way up, actually vinyl painted because Grady does it and it's better. And it's got the color bottom side T-top match. Great option for the 216. This boat's got a number of notable options. Has a head package in it. This is one of the few 21 footers available with a head on it. Also has a ski pylon. You can tow your kids on the tubes or skiing, kneeboarding, any type of water sports. What's great about that ski pylon is we've matched it with a 200 Yamaha. Additional power, better fuel economy, and better top speed, along with that hole shot. So you're able to get a tuber or a skier, wakeboarder, kneeboarder, whatever type of board sport you're pulling in the water, up and out and ready to go. Feel free to come down, take a look at the new 216 Fisherman from Grady-White.